ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আমাদের চ্যানেলের নিউজটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে আমাদের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং আপনাদের বন্ধুদেরকেও
Saudi Arabian date palm cultivation in Bangladesh. Saudi dates are a beneficial fruit that is very popular among people of all ages. It is said to be the oldest fruit in the world. Palmyra branchless palm trees grow mainly in desert areas. Date cultivation is more prevalent in East and North African countries. Many believe that Iraq or Egypt is the origin of the date palm. But now, though on a small scale, the date palm of the desert region is also growing on the soil of Bengal. Research has also started for its cultivation on a large scale. Efforts are also being made to develop seeds and seedlings. And finally, if it succeeds, it is going to open new doors to the possibility of palm cultivation in the desert region in Bangladesh. Since ancient times, palm fruit plantation has been one of the occupations and livelihoods of people. Arab countries created oases by planting date palms in desert areas where no other plants could easily grow. Among the countries where dates are grown more are Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Pakistan, Algeria, Sudan, Oman, Libya and Tunisia. Apart from this, dates are being cultivated successfully in some parts of China, India and America. People of all countries of the world like to eat dates throughout the year, regardless of the country where they live. But for the past few years, different varieties of Saudi Arabian dates are being cultivated in the country. And many young agricultural entrepreneurs of the country are already seeing the face of success by cultivating desert dates. Based on this, in order to spread the date cultivation of Saudi Arabia on the soil of Bangladesh, Saudi palm seedlings have been brought to Bangladesh by the Atul Company of India and built many gardens in Bangladesh. Some agriculturists of Mahapur have built a huge garden of tissue culture Saudi date seedlings. For 4 years, there are a lot of dates in their gardens. Catching up, there are more than 1,000 varieties of dates in the world. Among them, more than 400 varieties of dates are produced in Saudi Arabia alone. Among the popular varieties in Bangladesh are Ajwa, Mejul, Amber, Sukari, Dabas, Kalas, Nakal, Sugai, Tunisia, Bari, Kalmi Mayam, Zahedi, Mayam. Of these, Ajwa, Bari and Mariam dates are now being cultivated more. According to agricultural researchers, the production of Saudi dates in the country started mainly by the hands of expatriate Bangladeshis in the Middle East. Almost all those who started commercial cultivation brought tissue culture seedlings from Saudi Arabia and planted trees. According to the information of the Department of Agriculture, the cultivation of Saudi dates started in Bangladesh on a small scale around 2013-14. The interesting thing is that there are male and female differences in palm trees. Male plants do not bear fruit. A garden with 100 female plants and only one male plant is sufficient for pollination. Professor Dr. Anwaria Hussain, a teacher of the Department of Biochemistry and Biosciences of Rajshahi University, said that if we can plant saplings using tissue culture and tissue culture palm seedlings, there will be success in date palm cultivation in Bangladesh. Rabi researcher Professor Dr. Anwar Hussain said, he is trying to develop seeds and seedlings suitable for the cultivation of dates in the desert region of Bangladesh, mainly by tissue culture method. The work is being done under close supervision in the university's own labs and research plots of the Department of Biochemistry and Anupran Sciences.